It's a pretty widely accepted rule that a social media presence is a necessity for business these days. Almost all businesses have put time aside to put together a social media page or two in attempt to build an engaged audience. Unfortunately, some businesses are failing to achieve success because they're doing social media completely wrong. Let's find out why and how you can ensure you're nailing it no matter what. Hey guys, it's Trav here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Let's start with 3 reasons it's essential to be relevant on social media. Number 1, it's built for awareness. Things are slowly changing online, with Facebook and Instagram creating marketplaces to purchase products. Despite the ability to purchase from your favorite brands becoming an option, generally people do not log onto their social accounts with the intent of purchasing products. They want to connect, socialize, and stay in the know. Therefore, it's important to share content that builds awareness, fosters engagement, and positions you as a reliable source in their network. Number 2, every social network is different. It's important to recognize that how you communicate on one network will totally be different on how you post on another. Understanding the network you're publishing on is crucial to relating to that unique audience. And number 3, your results depend on it. Good social media marketing is marketing that works. Whether your goal is to grow your followers or build your subscriber lists, you're not going to get those clicks or likes if the people reading your content don't think it applies to them. There are certain types of content that will drive engagement well on one social network and not so much on another. Knowing what content works best on each channel is key for ensuring you'll see results. So let's start with the OG Facebook. As I'm sure we all know, Facebook is more casual, family and friends environment that can appeal to everyone. As the #1 social media network with 17 million monthly Australian users, it doesn't get any better as a platform to connect with your customers and build new relationships. Content that works best on Facebook includes visual image content like quotes, memes, fun facts and illustrations, interactive content like quizzes, trivia and polls, live video, people spending 3 times longer watching them versus videos previously recorded. Social videos are also great at generating engagement, having 135% greater organic reach than photo posts. Facebook videos receive 8 billion views per day. That's per day, it's pretty insane. According to CoSchedule, the best message is a link post that goes around 111 characters long, contains no hashtags but relevant keywords, include an emoji, and shares a positive message. Instagram boasts 1 billion active users per month, and that number continues to grow on this highly visual platform. To get noticed on Instagram by posting behind the scenes content such as images from your company events, a day in the office, or an employee recognition, they give people a glimpse into your business and humanizes your brand. Product images that highlight either the benefit and/or features of your product, lifestyle content showcasing how your product or service is used in the real world, quotes that add positivity and motivation to your followers' news feeds. Instagram stories, which allow you to engage your audience in real time and add authenticity to your social media marketing. LinkedIn is where business professionals can find content that will hone and better their skills, and where folks that want to be kept abreast of industry-related news can find the news. With 500 million members, there is an opportunity to establish professional thought leadership on LinkedIn through content. If you want to give it a go, consider this. Choosing visuals that are clear and compelling, giving users a reason to click on your post. Publishing articles as long-form content improves SEO ranking and allows you to delve deeper into topic, positioning you as an expert. Sharing articles that align with your customers' interest. Writing updates that contain industry insights. Research from LinkedIn pointed to YouTube videos as a great source of engagement, in some cases resulting in twice as much amplification like likes, shares, and comments, and a 75% higher share rate. It's also worth noting that more so than its competitors, LinkedIn users are active during a typical workday. Use keywords and save the hashtags and emojis for Facebook. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you stay up to date with all of our latest videos delivered directly into your inbox. So next is Twitter. With 330 million active users, Twitter has become a space for brands to share short, quick messages while creating awareness. Consider these tips to enhance your Twitter marketing and connect with your audience. Videos are 6 times more likely to be retweeted than photos. Go live on Periscope, share how-to videos, or be unique and respond to tweets with video. Infographics are perfect for sharing facts and information in a visual format. Tweet a link leading to your infographic, making sure you mention infographic in the message. Visual posts also drive more engagement. Images that promote blog posts, offer inspiration through a quote, or highlight your brand's culture are great on Twitter. Tweet content that provokes a positive emotion like laughter, amusement, and awe. GIFs are easily to tweet and share. Use them to show off your product, tell a story, or thank followers. Much like Instagram, hashtags continue to dominate Twitter. Twitonomy is a useful tool that will locate trending or popular hashtags related to your niche on Twitter. Appropriately sharing the content on social media that appeals to that unique audience on that network is vital to remain relevant to your strategy. You'll effectively speak to your personas in that way that moves them to action. Use this to hone your social media marketing and begin posting the right types of content on each network, and you'll experience higher engagement, an increase in followers, and better lead generation in no time. So if you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with social media marketing. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people just like Neighbourhood does. So that's it from me. Happy marketing.